Welcome to the German Masterclass. In today's tutorial, we will talk about Begrüßungen, greetings. So we will have a look at informal and formal greetings, and you will also learn how to form open questions or W-Fragen. Let's have a look at the first slide. So in the mornings, we say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. And we do this usually until 10 or 11 a.m. in the morning. The next picture is Guten Tag. Guten Tag. You can say this throughout the whole day usually. And yeah, it's usually in between 11 and 18 o'clock. Then we have Guten Abend. Guten Abend. 18 to 21. And the last one is Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Good night. From 9 p.m. on. So we distinguish between formal and informal greetings. So on the left side we have a formal greeting. Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? How are you? Wie geht es dir? And on the right side, wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? One more time, informal greetings, persönliche Begrüßungen. Hallo. Hallo. Hi. Hey. Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? And now formal greetings. Förmliche Begrüßungen. Förmliche Begrüßungen. Guten Tag, Frau. So, hello, Miss. Guten Tag, Herr. Hello, Mister. Guten Tag, Frau. Guten Tag, Herr. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? And now we will already have a look how to formulate open questions. Offene Fragen formulieren. Wie geht es dir? In this question, the first word is a question word, wie, how. And then it is followed by the finite verb, and then comes the end of the sentence. So we have the question word, finite verb, and the end of sentence. Here's one exercise. Try to form a question with these words. Easy. Wie geht es Ihnen? Let's practice the vocabulary. Good day. Guten Tag. Good evening, Mr. Müller. How are you? Guten Abend, Herr Müller. Wie geht es Ihnen? Hey Lena, how are you? Hey Lena, wie geht es dir? You can also use the shorter version by saying wie geht's? Good night, Anna. Gute Nacht, Anna. Hello, Mr. Richter. Hello, excuse me, hallo, Herr Richter. And the last one, hi, hi. Here's one more exercise. We have different dialogues between two people, always a man and a woman. And let's try to translate this into German. Good morning, Mr. Müller. How are you? Guten Morgen, Herr Müller. Wie geht es Ihnen? Good morning, Mrs. Schneider. Thank you, I'm fine. And you? Guten Morgen, Frau Schneider. Danke, gut. Und Ihnen? The next one is Good morning, Mrs. Kamp. Guten Morgen, Frau Kamp. Good day. How are you doing? Guten Tag. Wie geht es Ihnen? Very well. Thank you. And you? Sehr gut. Danke. Und Ihnen? The next one is in the personal style. Hey Lena. Well, how are you? Hi Lena. Hey Lena. Na, wie geht's? Na is also often used in the German language it's also used as a greeting, just by saying na. It just means something like hey. And the woman replies with, hello, grandpa. Hallo, Opa. The next one. Hi, Sarah. How are you doing? Hallo, Sarah. Wie geht's dir? Hi, Tom. Great, thanks. And you? Hi, Tom. Super, danke. Und dir? I hope you liked this class. And if you like this tutorial and you would like to learn more German with experienced teachers in easy to understand lessons with a high conversational approach, visit our Facebook page or contact us by email. You can find the links and the contact information in the video description below.